This 2014 Mercedes-Benz E-Class is brought to you by Auto Gallery Chicago. MBE 350 Sport 4MATIC Sport Package Premium 1 Package 4MATIC All-Wheel Drive System Power Sliding Sunroof Heated Front Seats 3.5 LV6 Engine 7-Speed Automatic Trans-Am Dual Power Exterior Mirrors Air Conditioning Power Windows Power Door Locks Rear Window Defogger Cruise Control Black Exterior Black Interior. Please feel free to call us at 630-628-1400 with any questions you might have or ask us for detailed walk-around way. Hope you are next satisfied. Online buyer at Auto Gallery Chicago. We strive to provide you with the best quality vehicles for the lowest possible price, and this 2014 Mercedes-Benz E350 Sport 4MATIC is no exception. We provide low-cost worldwide shipping directly to your chosen destination. Although Auto Gallery Chicago prides itself on accuracy in our descriptions and amp pricing, on occasion, mistakes can happen. Please verify all descriptions and pricing. In the event of a mistake, Auto Gallery Chicago is not responsible for errors. We also reserve the right to withdraw, terminate, and visit us at autogallerychicago.com.